Hi everybody, Luis here, your soulful nomad. I am in Uvita, Costa Rica, and I am doing my walk. I arrived yesterday, so it's my first walk here. I am going to discover the place. I am going to walk until some store that I need to buy some stuff there. Often you see travelers, they make those videos with that fancy title. I didn't accept this. Actually, it's true for me. I didn't accept that Uvita will be like this. It's a touristy area, I guess, but there's not many. I mean, you don't have a souvenir store. You don't have people trying to sell you jet ski stuff, tour, and it's kind of really quiet. It's the jungle mostly, very calm. There is a few hotels here and there, a few restaurants here and there, but it's totally not what I accepted about. I thought it will be a place like in Bali or Thailand or even Mexico, but it's totally different. Here it's really quiet. If you like the nature, a calm, relaxed place, I believe that will be a good fit. Also today, it's my fasting day, water fasting day. I am doing a water fast every week for 24 hours. There are many benefits about doing a water fast like this every week. You know, after 12 hours, your body will start to burn fat. After maybe 16, 18 hours, your body will go through autophagy and it will start to replace, damaged cell and things like this. So it's a self-repair mechanism. After maybe 20, 21 hours of water fasting, your body will start neurogenesis. It's the creation of new neurons in your brain. So it's really good to fight, aging, memory loss and things like this. So when you do a water fast once a week, it's usually best to not move too much. But I am kind of used to water fasting, so I'm doing this walk, and then I will probably come back to my hotel, have some rest, and I have some stuff to do on my computer, and that will be how can I say, a calm and relaxed day with not much activity to do. Voila. I have to find my way, so here I have to stop to look at my cell phone. It's amazing that we have a cell phone, so we can easily find your way. Imagine, back in the day, you had a map, and hopefully it was an accurate map. So I think I have to go this way. Yeah, that's the way I have to go. Uvita, Costa Rica. So normally I was supposed to go to another beach town called Esterio after this one, but I am not sure now because I believe Esterio will be more or less the same. So I may go to Jaco. If you have been in those places, let me know. I am open to suggestion, but I will go up north. Perhaps Jaco or Capo, something like this, and then Samaha or a place called Tamarindo, but that will be probably next week. I try to stay maybe 3 days, 4 days in each town. But I believe all those beach towns, they are kind of the same, more or less. They are place. If you like surfing, you will love it here. It's apparently a surfer mecca, surfer heaven. Oh yeah, you can book a tour to see the whales, but the tour is quite expensive. I mean, well, at my hotel they give me an expensive price at least. Perhaps if I ask around, I could find the whales tour for a better price. So look at those mountains there with the clouds. This reminds me some area of Africa, Central Africa, you know, Congo, Tanzania, and Rwanda. Jungle. Now we are in the rain season, and the rain season lasts for 6 months. During the night, last night, it was raining all day, all night long. I really enjoyed the noise of the rain. I find it calming and relaxing. Perhaps I will try to record it because I took my podcast microphone. It's quite a good quality microphone. Perhaps I will try to record the things. Okay. There's a breakfast ice cream pancake place there. If you fancy that sort of stuff, that could be a good fit. Personally, I do not eat breakfast. I am doing something called intermittent fasting. What is your body fat? My body fat is 14%. This is quite low. It's optimal. It's not high and it's not too low. It's really at a good level. So I have to say the people here in Uvita are really friendly. The people in Costa Rica are generally quite friendly. So guys, men all the time ask me, so there is girl, how do you meet girl? And blah, blah, blah. Yeah, maybe if it is, I mean, it needs to be your focus, right? You focus on meeting women. So perhaps you will go to where there are more women, like a party town, you know? When I was in the taxi the other day, the taxi driver told me, oh, you know, you go to this place, it's a party town, you know, and the Caribbean sign, Puerto Viejo, Le Monde, and also, I think, Jaco, and he gave me some other name. So, if you go to those places, I believe you will meet. You can meet someone. Also, if you put in the effort. You could also use dating app. So do I use dating app in Costa Rica? No, I do not use dating app in Costa Rica. I am here to rest actually, you know, alone time. Because after I go to Mexico, and I really know a lot of people in Mexico. So as you can see, it's not overcrowded with tourists. The time is 10:30. If we were in Thailand, it will be, you know, many tourists passing by and tuk-tuk taxi and People asking, taxi, taxi, you need to go someplace. Same with Bali. But here it's kind of, it doesn't even feel like a touristy place, but it is. Okay, I have to take a break to check the map again. Okay, I am still on the right track, and then I am supposed to see a big road very soon, and then take on my left. Tell me, would you like to live in a place like this? Or maybe you already live in a place like this. You know why I make this walking tour video? Because when you tap on the YouTube Uvita, there is not really any good long walking video. So and then when I come back home, I can watch the video and remember this day. So I believe that's the road, the big road. Hey, horse. Okay, some hotel. Sushi Restaurant. That's good to know because, you know, I don't know anything about this area. So far I located a few. I located a burger restaurant, a vegan restaurant, a pizza joint, and this sushi place. Really beautiful artwork there, painting for your house. Okay, let me check if I am still on the right track. Yes, I am still on the right track. And I believe I am not so far from my destination. I am going at the main supermarket of this area. Interesting house. I don't know if you can see it. It has a nice view. So that's Uvita, my friends. Uvita doesn't really have what you will call a downtown area. It's kind of everything is kind of a spread out. You better off renting a car or at least a motorcycle. Okay, big restaurant. I can come here another day. Yeah, you can see a big supermarket there. BM Supermercado. That's my destination. Pura vida. That's what they say here. Pura vida. Okay, I am almost arrived. BM Supermercado. I have to cross the road. Steakhouse, okay. Steakhouse is nice. I will buy some papaya. Okay. I am at the end of our walk. My destination is just there, the supermercado. I hope you enjoyed the walk. Now let's cross the road. Okay. Woo! Okay. Okay, this is big restaurant. That's really interesting. Maybe I can come here during the week. Okay. I hope you enjoyed this video. See you for the next one. Bye bye. Pura vida.